In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared calendar in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll have a brand new calendar set up and shared with the right people so everyone stays on the same page. Start by opening your web browser and going to Microsoft Outlook on the web. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you're in the right account for work or personal use, since calendars are tied to the account you're using. Once you land on the Outlook homepage, switch to Calendar. You'll find the calendar icon on the left side of the screen. This takes you to your scheduling view, where you can manage all your calendars. Look for the option to Add Calendar. It usually appears near the left pane. Click it to open the calendar creation options. From here, choose Create Blank Calendar. This creates a brand new calendar that you control, rather than subscribing to someone else's calendar or importing one. Give your calendar a clear, recognizable title. Think of a name that describes its purpose, like Team Deadlines, Project Roadmap, or Family Events. A descriptive name makes it easy to find later and helps others understand what they're subscribing to at a glance. Pick a color for your new calendar. Color coding is helpful if you juggle multiple calendars. It makes it easy to distinguish events at a glance. Choose something that stands out from your existing colors. Click Save to create the calendar. You'll see a confirmation, and the calendar will appear under your list of calendars in the sidebar. Close the creation pane by clicking the X so you're back to the main calendar view. Find your new calendar in the list, then click the three dots next to its name to open more options. Select Sharing and Permissions. This is where you decide who gets access and what they can do. Enter the email address of the person or group you want to share with. After adding the address, choose the appropriate permission level. View When I'm Busy only shows availability. View Titles and Locations reveals basic context. View All Details shows everything on events. Can Edit allows others to add and modify events. Delegate gives full management access, including responding to invitations on your behalf. Pick the level that matches how you want them to collaborate. Finally, click Share. The recipient will receive an email invitation and can add your calendar to their Outlook with a single click. You can return to sharing and permissions anytime to adjust access or remove someone if plans change. That's it. You've created a shared calendar in Outlook, named it, customized it, and shared it with the right permissions so your team or family can stay aligned.